Pod mana e county nogono ni koro weche mago mag somo koro ne odok chien e gwenge mag Nyandago mixed Nyatike Migori County seche ma jonyuol nong'anyo ewi duoko marach mar penj mar klas 12 ma iwacho ni kuom higni 2 osebedo mana ka ruombore piny e skul no. Mano timore okinyi ma kawuono kama jonyuol kotene kanyo to kod odhiambo joki wacho ni skul no osebedo ka remo penj kendo japuonj maduong' James Langi ema oting' msalaba no ka gidwaro mondo many kaka inyalo loke ni mar kuom higni 2 mokadho japuonjre mokwongo osebedo mana ka yudo C- matin ma bende yudo D ka modong' to koro yudo E lelo. Chief mar gweng'no Winnie Malemba nokwayo jonyuol mondo koro nyakwe kendo gilosi kod nyithindgi bende oti matek kendo ojiwo jopuonj mondo bende otim anena tich matek e skul no. Director mar somo ma Migori County kane oloso kod ute mag fwambo mano Jacob Onyego to nowacho ni koro gidhi nyime to kod bedo piny e gweng' mag Bakalda mondo mi ging'i anena kaka chien nade no inyalo tieki.
I want to address the principal of Nyandago Secondary School, of which today we are that much wild as per the performance of Nyandago Secondary School is going on now. This is a school that begins on 2010. Government had served us with the 2 principals, if I don't lie, namely Mr. Ogola, who was transferred to Abuao Secondary. During the time of Mr. Ogola, the school performed well for 3 consecutive years. Immediately, the principal, so-called Mr. Lange, reported in this school, we have not been safe in terms of the performance of the students. I may not know the reason of which we have been cautioning the board of the school to check this problem, and they are not giving us the correct report. If I may add, there are several demonstrations that were done by the students till they went to the TAC sector of Nyatike. They were addressed and told to come back to school as they wait the change or the transfer of the principal. The principal had not been transferred. Any letter that is being served from the government is not there.
We talked and we agreed that Langi, as the principal of the Nyandago Secondary, is not performing. Why do I say this? I'm saying this because last year we had got 20 E's students. This time also we have likely 25 E's. And we sat and we agreed as the same as people of the community that we don't want Langi in this school and let him go and try somewhere else. We came here as the community, and that's why we are demonstrating that at this moment the Form 1 was supposed to be here in this school, and up to this moment I'm talking here, no Form 1 has reported in this institution. Langi is only good for the negatives of this school. The production of this school is decreasing at an alarming rate, and that is why we are saying as this community that we don't want Langi in this community, in this school, because of his performance. He should move, and we agreed at this community that Langi should move. At this time,
I was here when school was started, and now I'm still a parent of this school. What is not good, which I want to tell the government, Nyandago Secondary School is a boarding, but the principal of Langi is a day scholar. He is a day scholar. How can he manage a boarding school when he is a day scholar? He is not a boarder. That's why we sisi kama Nyandago Primary School stakeholders, we don't want Mr. Langi. He's not a boarder, he's a day scholar, but school is a boarding. School is not performing, but students are there. Teachers are good. Parents are also ready to bring their students, but Langi is not ready to perform.
Natoka Nyandago Central. Tafadhali serikali mtusaidie. Huyu mwalimu ametushinda na matusi. Anatusi wazazi, anatusi wanafunzi mpaka walimu. Hatumtaki aende. Hatumtaki, serikali mtusaidie. Shule inaisha.
Sasa shida yenu mnaandamana. Ni vizuri
wala wako hapa ndani. Hakuna TSC inaandika mwalimu kama hajapita mtihani, sivyo? Lakini mwalimu badilika, saa zingine anaweza badilika. Lakini what I know, tuko na walimu wenye wamequalify, wanaweza pitisha watoto wetu. So himizo langu kubwa kabisa ni utulivu, ili tuweze kufaulu. Sasa tunataka wanafunzi wa form 1. Ninawaomba vizuri sana tukiwa hapa mtangaze hii shule positive. This is our alliance school. We don't have another school. This is the best school, the center of excellence. Na iko na walimu wenye walienda shule wamefanya kazi. So kwa hiyo mimi naomba tutulie, tuone shida iko wapi,